Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mohammed Sadaf Hashmi and welcome back to this damn fucking new channel I have. My name is Mohammed Sadaf Hashmi, as you know, and I have a YouTube channel called Bihari Programmer. You all know that too, right? I have a playlist. I too have a playlist which name is JavaScript for Beginners. #noobs. You can go and check it out. It's like right here. Here is the playlist. Here I have around 23 videos, I guess. I don't know, 21, maybe 21. There are 21 videos there, and this video which I'm recording would be uploaded on a playlist, would be added into the playlist itself, to be added into this channel. No, that's not the real point. The point is, do you see that fucking red button down there? I mean, just down there, turn it gray. Just click on it and turn it gray. I don't care about the notification and shit. Just for now, don't click on the bell icon if you don't want to get notified. The thing is, just click on the subscribe button, bro. Just make it 1K fast, and that's it. I don't know, I'm just taking a lot of time. I know I'm taking a lot of time, bruh. Chill, okay? This is what it takes, a lot of time. Okay, before getting into this, I would like to tell you, in the last video, we have made the Kelvin weather, you can say, application in JavaScript. It worked. It was a goosebumping kind of experience for me too, because I made it for the first time, bro. I made it for the first time. Whatever, that doesn't count, bro. That does count, but the thing is, we are about to learn something new. Okay, what we are about to learn, let me show you that. Bitches, motherfucking bitches. I mean, should I shut it down? Please, don't mind. Yeah, I'm shutting it down. Yeah. Oh my fucking god, Omega. Okay, today we're gonna learn. Oh, did I ruin anything? Is it getting recorded and shit? Yeah, it is getting recorded. So, please, yeah, let me read it. Okay. Next project, today's project basically is dog ears. It's time to build a fluency. It's time to build fluency in JavaScript fundamentals, also basics. So basically this exercise which you're about to do, it's gonna just increase your fluency and control over the fundamentals. In next pro project, we are going to practice variables, strings in JavaScript so that you can hone or say, sharp your skills and feel confident taking them to the real world. I think that is that I'm talking about like freelancing shit. Are you talking about freelancing shit, Code Academy? Maybe. Why? This concept will help you use your data output information to your users. Okay, do you get it? The customizing outputs for the users. That's what they want, right? They want something output. What's next? Dog ages, interpolation, more on JavaScript. You got this, bro. Let's get into this. At the same time, this is codeacademy.com. This is an open source. Is it open source? I don't know if it's open source or not, but it's free of cost place on internet you can learn code from. Go and sign in. It's absolutely free. Nothing at all. Here is free code camp. It was Code Academy. This is free code camp. Here it's the same thing. Why we use it sometimes? We use it for the code editor. Here is the code editor. Here is the console. That doesn't matter. Okay, just part out. What I'm doing for now, just ignore it. For God's sake, ignore it. This is not your thing. I cannot pause it. That would be looking like an interruption or something. Yeah. What is dynamite, bro? Whatever. Okay, so we come back. So we'll read about all of our code here. What's the objective? Objective I say like basically this is the knowledge panel, this is the code editor, and this is the console panel, this black region. Okay, let's start reading. Dog years. Dog mature at faster rate than human beings. Okay, do they? We often say dogs' age can be calculated in dog years to account for their growth compared to a human of the same age. In some ways, we could say the time moves quickly for dogs. 8 years in humans' life equates to 45 years in dog's life. This is basically an instance, or say this is basically an example. An 8-year-old child will be equal to 45 years old if it was a dog. How old would you be if you were a dog? So basically, as I am 20 years old, then I would be around 96 years old. Okay. If I was a dog, I would be 96 years old now. So, okay, let me come. What is meant by dog years? So let me read this informal. A period of time in life of dogs, okay? It's a period of time in life of dogs defined such that the average life expectancy of the dog is dog years, numerically equivalent to the average life. No, that's not the real point. The point is a 4 and 5-year-old dog are about as mature as 28 to 30 years and 35 to 35 years respectively. So the information given here about two informations given here, the early years of a dog and the later years of the dog, they mature differently, right? You don't get it right now, for now don't ignore that. So basically they have the data is taken here are kind of average, okay? Because there are different breeds of dog. There are small breed, there are big breeds, and they kind of age in a similar fashion, but somehow the values differ. Okay, so we did this, so we did this too. Okay, I just wanted to know at what age dogs become adult. Okay. Physically speaking, dogs are fully grown by the time they are 1 year old. Damn, fuck. All the large breeds may keep growing until they are 2 years old. They are talking about small breed. Small breed takes around 1 year old, and the large breed takes around 2 years old. You know, there's muscle development and a lot of shit going on. Just happens the later years, that's second year, they become fully grown adult, like 18 years old kind of thing, kinda 15 years kind of thing, maybe. Pedophilic, of course not. Okay, a major study of dogs longevity which considered both natural and basically it's at 11 years and 1 month a dog passes away. So we'll even check, you know, what's 11, it's 11, okay, how much let me see how much is is 11 years and 1 month in years. What the fuck? I wanted to type 11 there. I'm extremely sorry guys. It's 11.08 in this years. So we'll use this and see what would have been the age of the dog when it passed away in humans. You're getting it? No, right? I get that point. You're not getting it. For now, chill about it, okay? No need to just focus too much on that. I'm not a psycho. I like to do those things. Whatever, it doesn't matter, right? Life equates to 45%. Okay, let's read few more things. Here's how you can convert your age, that is human years, to dog years. Your age is human years, 365 days in a human days, and it kind of differs in the dog years. Whatever, bro, not getting it, chill for now. The first 2 years of dog's life count as 10.5 years each. Okay, basically it's saying the first human years, okay, that's when you were 1 year old. When you were 1 year old, no, oh, I'm sorry, when the dog was 1 year old, it was equating to 10.5 dog years. How to say it, bro? Like a puppy was born, all right, and 365 days passed, you know, days, 9 days and 9 days and 9, and 365 days passed. For us it's like 1 year, human year, 1 year, but for the dog it's like 10 years have passed, sir. Okay, and okay, let's read the other one. It's like first 2 years of dog's life count as 10.5 years. So basically it says the first human year, that is 365 days passed, you know, for the dog it's like 10.5 years, you know. Now it's a one human year dog, and at the same time it is also 10.5 dog years dog. But similarly in the second year it's again 10.5 years, you know, 365 days passed and again 365 days passed. So basically 720 days have passed in human, you know, in human eyes, but for the dog it's again 10.5 years have passed. 10.5 dog years have passed. So basically the first 2 human years adds up to 21 years, 21 dog years. Of 720 days in humans equals to 21 dog years in the dogs. After this, aging kind of slows down after this, after 2 years. Each year's following equals to 4 dog years. So basically it says, since 720 days have passed, now the aging for the dog is like boom, shrinks. Now it doesn't equates to 1 human year equal to 10.5 dog years. Basically it equates to now as 1 human year equals to 4 dog years. So the next year, that is the 3rd human year, adds as 4 dog years. That is 21. That is 21 years. Basically, how to say, bro? How to say it? Two years passed in human life, dog became 21-year-old. Just the 3rd year came, the dog's aging process just slows down. It becomes now 4. It will add 4 years instead of adding 10.5 years. Now it will add 4 years consecutively for gradually for his entire life. So after 3rd year, human years is 25 years old, and similarly following the 4th year, which also adds 4 dog years to the current dog year, which is 25 years old right now, making the 4 human years to equate it to 29 dog years. And similarly the dog ages, like it adds 4 years every consecutive year, every consecutive human years. You get it, right? Hopefully you're getting it. Right now, if you're not even getting it, doesn't even matter. I'll just link a very good video which really makes you understand what dog years is, because in this video we are just about that coding part, right? I'm even trying to explain you how it works, but I'm not clearly able to articulate that. But whatever, when we'll code it out, maybe it would get clear. Before you start doing the math in your head, let's the computer take care. Oh bro, let me just untick these, because okay. Makhail nicho bro. Nigga chill, bro. Chill as fuck, bro. It was too many steps in my mind. Okay, whatever. Before you start coding, start doing the math in your head, let's the computer take care of it. All right. With your knowledge of math operators, math operators, it's like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and as well as assignment operators like multiplication equal to, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, division assignment, I did it right, all. So remainder assignment, everything. If you have those knowledge, and when you know about variables, like we have let, we have var, we have const, these are the keywords in variable. Const cannot be reassigned, and var and let can be assigned, and var and let differs in the scoping kind of thing, like basic knowledge about all of this. And if you don't know anything about variables and math operators, go check my playlist out. I have many videos on this, I guess. Oh my fucking god, who am I joking? So basically, I guess I have a very good video on this. Okay. Math operators. Here's the math operator. And we have a very good video on variable too. We have videos on variable. We have 8 videos on variable. Look, this is lesson 1 variables part 8. And they have even revised it in 1 hour. This is fun, brah. This is gonna be real fun. Whatever. Let's get into it, right? Let me drink some water. Big bottle. Before you start doing the math in your head, let the computer take care of it. With your knowledge of math operators and variables, use JavaScript to convert your human age into dog years. You get this? What is our motto? To convert our human age to dog years. If you get stuck during the project or would like to see an experienced developer work through it, click on Get Unstuck to see the project walkthrough. Hopefully we'll not need that this time at least. Okay. It says mark the task as you complete by checking them off. If you complete this thing, just click on here, or you can click anywhere. You can click anywhere. I'm a Barbie girl. Whatever. Create a variable named my age. Okay. Set it to equal to your age as a number. Since our age is going to be constant, so we're going to use our const variable. Since let me explain this code. Since you are using 2 forward slashes to comment the shit out, comment this code out, this code wouldn't be read by the computer. Since our age is not going to change, CHAN, wait a second, since our age is not going to change, we will use the const keyword, because the const keyword used to create a variable is not gonna change throughout the code. It cannot be reassigned, right? That's the difference. All right, so we'll say const using the const keyword, and we'll type the variable name using the camel case. That's my age, good practice to use the camel case. And we'll equate it to my age is what, 500 years? No, it's 20 years. So yeah, we did that. Okay, completed this. Save this. So yeah, create a variable named early years and save the value. We are the second instruction right now. Create a variable named early years and save the value 2 to it. Note the value saved to this variable will change. Since the value of this variable will be changing, we cannot use const. If you use const, it will pop up an error. We cannot use the const keyword. We will use what the fuck, why is the space here? Keywords, it's the same word. Okay, we will use var or let. You say var or let. Var. We'll use these 5 fingers to actually toss it out. Var, let, var, let, var. So we'll use var. I don't like var, but okay. Okay. So we will use var cause we love it. So we'll like var and we'll equate it to Instagram years, and we'll equate it to 2, right? And yeah, we did this. We added a comment too. Here is our comment. Okay, keep moving on. Use the multiplication assignment operator to multiply. It says basically in the third instruction here, it says use. Okay, I cannot take it right now. Use the multiplication assignment operator. What's the multiplication assignment operator? It's like this star sign and equal to. This is a multiplication assignment operator. Whatever. Okay, operator to multiply the value saved in early years. That's 2. You need to multiply. Okay, to the early years. Gets ready. We'll type EAR early, YEARS years. Okay, we'll use the multiplication assignment operator, that is multiplication equal to, and we'll multiply with 10.5. You know this, right? This is a compressed form of writing a thing. You know, right? It can be written another way too. We'll show that at the very end of this video, because for our better practice we're gonna do that too. We did this. We'll move down. Since we already accounted for the first 2 years, take my age variable and subtract 2 from it. What does the fucking it means? So how to say, since early years is equated to 2, so out of my age 2 has to be subtracted. What, you want 2 extra human years to be added? Of course not, right? That will be a problem in our calculation. So we will set the result equal to a variable called later years. Okay, so we'll comment this out later on. Just follow with me, bruh. There's a cool shit going on right now. Right now. Whatever, I don't want to sound abnormal, but I am abnormal. Let, we'll use later, YEARS years, we'll use the later years, and we'll equate it to motherfucking values. What the fuck I was thinking? Calm down. Okay, we'll use, we need to use my age as a variable. We'll use my age is a variable, which currently is equal to 20. Oh fuck, bruh. Age minus 2. It is subtract 2 from it, because we need to make it 18. Why? Because early years is 2 and later year is 18, so adds up to 20. We cannot make it 22. If you don't subtract here 22, it will become 22, and that will create a problem, a big problem for our calculation. Later years ago, so we did it. I can't explain this code, can we? To balance it out, we subtract 2 from my age variable. All right. Set the result equal to variable called later years. We'll be changing this value later. Write the comment. Okay, since we'll be changing the values later, so we will use the let keyword. Okay, we cannot use the const keyword. Okay, let's keep moving forward. Okay, multiply the later years variables by 4 to calculate the number of dogs years accounted for by your later years. What does this mean now? Basically, it says you need to multiply 4 to the value assigned to the later years. What does that mean? You see my age minus 2? Yeah, you need to multiply 4 to that. I mean, I get it, but can't we just write 4 into something like this? I mean, like, yeah, we can write that, but why would we do that? Okay, we'll try this too, but not right now. We'll just follow through what has been said. So we'll do here later, we'll again type our variable's name by years, and we'll do multiplication equal to, because we need to use the multiplication assignment operator, right? Multiply it with 4, so basically it should do the job. Why we did this? Why did we do this multiplication thing? Such a good question. We did this cause in the later years, basically after 2 years, one human year equals to 4 dog years. So we need, we have 4 as a factor there, so we need to multiply that. Cause in later years it adds 4 dog years for every 1 human year. I'm a mad psycho-scientist. Why am I saying this cringy stuff? Whatever, that doesn't matter. Did we do it? Yeah. We commented this part out too. Yeah, we did the commenting part here. Okay, I'm happy for you, Siddharth. You happy for me? Yeah. Let's follow the 6th instruction. You like to check your work at this time point. Print later years and early years and later years to your console. This very black part. Are the values what you expected? Check this out. Okay, we need to use the console. Basically, it's like log it out. Is your code till this time correct? I'm like, okay, maybe console log. We'll type there later years plus later years. We have early years. What early it should be capital Y, camel case, bro. That's a discipline, right? Okay, it's 93 years old. Basically, it says 20 years old is equal to 93 years old. So as I said, it's working. it's working. So yeah, we'll comment this part out for now because we don't want 2 values on our console. In order to comment the code out, just go to the very leftmost side of the code with the line and type there 2 forward slashes. Ta-da! Comment it out. We did pass though. Check this. Okay, we're ready to go. Add early years and later years together. This is basically saying this early years, that is, we have defined it. We have already defined variables, and this other one later years, we have already defined this here. It says concatenate this, join this, and equate this value to another variable on the left. Basically, it says we are going to use assignment operator. That is the most common one. That is the most common one of them. That is this equal to 1. This one. Okay. And we will concatenate, I think hopefully spelling says concatenate, the two pre-defined variable with plus. All right, yeah, too much of comment, but okay. So we'll use the let keyword, or we can use the, I don't know about const keyword, we'll use the let keyword, and then we're gonna type my age. I'm scared, I don't know why. Age in dog ears. Fuck. Dog. Why ears? Fuck, man, I'm just typing typos for that long now. Okay, and then we'll equate it to our two variables, that is early years and later years. Early years, we'll add to later years. ERS. Okay. Well, let's see. Yeah, no errors. So basically these values have been assigned to this. Okay, let's use the string method next. String method. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't read this one that time. Let's use the string method next. String method. Write your name as string. Call it built-in. Call it in built-in method, that is built-in function, that is to lowercase, and store the result in a variable called my name. Write your name as string. Basically, out comment here. I followed the instructions, so don't blame me. Okay, so basically here the thing is, it says we need to define a variable, let's say let, and now we'll define const, because right, our name is const. It's constant, you're not gonna change, right? But yeah, it's not gonna change, bro. But shut up, follow it. Okay, camel case need to be followed. First letter small. Fuck it, bro. First letter small, another word attached with a capital uppercase. My name equals Sadaf. We need to type it a string, and we need to assign it a good value. Okay, we'll try to type typos there like this, right? Okay. Yeah, it looks cool. Sadaf. We'll use the dot operator, and then we'll type our method's name, that's to LOWE lower, and we have case. Santa Claus. So yeah, it should do the work. This is the method to lowercase. Will it work? This worked. What the fuck? The lowercase method returns string to all lowercase letters. If you don't believe me, let's console.log, and we'll type there my, and we'll type there capital NAME, and yeah, this is the output. So it converted this very pathetic looking name to a very lowercase thing. We don't need to see if it worked, so we'll comment this part out. We'll not delete things, bro. Deleting is for noobs. Okay, we are noobs, but we are pro noobs. Okay, we commented this part out. We have commented I have followed this instruction, so don't blame me for this. Very good. Okay, let's go, keep moving forward. Write a console log statement that displays your name and age in your dog years. Use string interpolation to display the value in your following sentence. So basically interpolation basically is inserting variables in a string and concatenate this or join this. And this time we're not going to use this quote unquote upper quote, single quotes or double quote. We're going to use the template literal, in which we have backticks and we have our placeholders, and that's it. So we'll get into this, bro. This is easy, bro. Chill, bro. If you don't understand any of this, you can watch my old videos, bro. They're so good. Console log. Okay, like we'll use our template literal. For that we're gonna use our backticks. We are using the backticks there. Keep a look there. And then we're gonna type our text. That's my fucking bro. What the fuck has been wrong with me? My name is, now here is the pseudocode written. In the pseudocode is capital name. So in place of this my name, we're gonna use our variable name, that is my name, right? So which we have defined just a few minutes ago, my name. So we'll use the $sign and we'll use the curly bracket. This basically is the placeholder for our template literal. Here we can type expressions, that is basically inside the curly brackets will be the variable. Chill. Okay, we do all of this because we want our code to be in a single line, and we don't want to worry about, you know, quotes and missing quotes and things like that. We just want like things just goes easy, right? Chill, that kind of thing. We'll use my and ame name. We define the variable my name. We'll use full stop, then space, then I'll like I, then I'll like am. Oh fuck, am. Then human age. Again you're gonna use our interpolation, that is inserting the placeholder, that is like dollar and these brackets, and then we're gonna type our human age. That's my age, right? Our human age or my age, right? Which we have defined here, my age, which is my age, right? Human age with my age. Okay. Itna years old, years years old. This is the text part. In human years, for years. Okay, which is dog age. In the place of dog age, we'll be writing my age in dog years. Okay, so we'll again use the interpolation, or say inserting, or say the placeholder, or say value holder, or say the expression holder, or say the variable holder for the template literal. That's this, and we're gonna type there. Then we're gonna type in my age in dog years. Okay, we did this part here. Now we're gonna type this text here, years old in the dog years. Too much complicated to listen, but when you'll do it, it'll be fucking easy. Years old in dog years. Ta-da! With full stop. I think we made a mistake, cause we made a mistake here. That's, you know, our string literal just ended here, and after that we have just written that outside the string literal, template literal, sorry. So we'll go here, and yeah, we'll use the backticks. Done. Okay, it says to comment this part, but will not. Great work. Now you can convert the look. Basically, did it work? Look, when my age is 20, it shows my name is Sadaf. I am 20 years old in human years, which is 93 years old in dog years. It's working. Our code is working. Our code is working. But we can change it. Let's say when I was 0 years old, what was his age? My age is 0 years old. I am 0 years old in human years, which is equal to 13 years old in dog years. I think we should keep some exceptions there, because it made no sense to me. What the fuck? This is basically a loophole for this code. I am 0 years old in human years, which is equal to 13 years old in years. Basically, this person even has not even born, and it's showing that. Fuck it, bro. Okay, this was the age at which the dog dies, right? So we'll use this. No. At what age human dies, right? At what age human dies? That is 70 years old. My age is 70. So what would be dog's age? 293. What the fuck? Okay, 293 हो जाएगा. Okay, basically at what age dog dies was correct. So we'll use this 11 point. So basically at the age of 60 a dog dies. If it was a human being, it would have died at the age of 60. But some dogs even take it to 25 years of age. Let's see. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but basically my age is 20. When I'm 20 years old, it's 23 dog years. It's working. So it's saying great work. You can convert the human age by dog by changing the my age. This const value, you can change it, and you can just do which we did. We can interpolate. We can basically console out different values there. If you would like an extra practice, try out this project without the multiplication assignment operators. Basically it says which I was talking about. I'll talk about this in the end of the video. Basically it says it is the compressed form of the code, right? This is shortened form of the code. We need to, it's saying make it make it large. No, basically it's saying how to say decompress this code. So like early years and says equal to, we're gonna use our variable again because we are about to reassign it using the variable itself in the code while we're writing it, into 10.5. yeah, so it will still do the job. So it popped up with no error. We can do this, and we have another multiplication assignment here. Let me comment this part out. Use later years years. Oh bro, y years equal to again let later years years. What we need to do here, multiply it with 4. So yeah, it does the job. Are there any no, there are no any assignment operators. Okay, we are good to go. We completed this. Are you happy? Let's try to copy this code and just paste it here. Okay, it gives an output. My name is Sadaf. I'm 20 years old in human years, which is 90 years old in dog years. It is working. Our code is working. So before leaving, bruh, I would like to tell you one thing. Consider subscribing, because Goku I don't know what I'm saying. Basically consider subscribing. Let this channel grow, bro. 127 for these many days I'm crying. Make it grow, turn the red color button in gray. Comment it out, anything you like in this video. That's it. I love you. I just love you so much that you even don't know. Catch you up later in the next video. For now, just a lot of love. Bye bye.